Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 4th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the dollar yen actually didn't even really make that big of a pullback today, but what it did do was it made one, two, three waves up. I'm always talking about how I'm trading in the direction of the higher time phase, which the daily is down, looking for three-way pullbacks. I would have liked to have seen a little bit of a bigger pullback, but if this is a end of a crescent up here, then it probably will make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and eventually go down, giving us this break of structure, which I think on the daily time frame would prove to me that this is the end of a crescent, which it really looks like it might most likely is. So I would definitely be recommending shorts right now, unless price makes a dramatic turn to the upside and takes out this structure. If it does that, I would go back to longs, but otherwise, I would definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend right now. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.